Okay, next. Calculate the break-even volume for annual demand for a proposed project. The first cost is $30,000. The salvage value is 0. N is 10 years. I is 10%. And profit per item is $15. Okay, so pinapahanap yung break-even volume. So break-even analysis, no? So, dapat yung revenue ay equal sa expenses. So yung revenue natin per year will just be $15 times yung number of items, no? So ito yung revenue per year. Okay, yung N, yun yung number of items na mabibenta per year. Tapos magkano yung expenses? Okay, so for the expenses, kailangan na ano to, no? Expense per year. Okay? So ang gagawin natin, yung mga cost, lahat pagsasamahin natin, no? So, una, ang ginagawa ko dyan kapag may first cost, no, is kinocompute ko na kagad yung capitalized cost. Kasi yun yung capital, no? Capitalized cost. Okay, which is always equal to the first cost plus lahat ng annual cost divided by I plus kung merong depreciation, no? Merong depreciation. So first cost minus salvage value over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Okay? So ganyan palagi, no? Um, and then kung meron ding repair cost, no? Repair cost. So that is 1 plus I raised to M minus 1. Where, ano naman to, yung M naman na to is kung kailan ire-repair. Halimbawa, sabihin na ire-repair siya after 5 years. O di yung M mo, yung M is 5. No? Pero sa problem na to, I think wala namang wala namang annual cost na binigay. Wala ring repair cost na binigay. Tapos may salvage value 0. So ibig sabihin meron tayong depreciation. So i-consider natin ito at saka ito. So ang capitalized cost is 30K plus 30K minus 0 over 1 plus 10% raised to 10 years minus 1. So ito yung capitalized cost natin, no? Tapos, after mo makompute yung capitalized cost, malalaman mo na yung annual cost. Ang annual cost kasi, tandaan nyo to, ACI. Ayan, capitalized cost times interest. Annual cost na yan. Okay? So, we have, at ito na rin yung natin, annual expenses. Okay? So, we have 30 plus 30 over 1.1 raised to 10 minus 1. Okay, tapos times 1,000 si 30K. Tapos times natin ng 0.1 kasi 10% yung I. So this gives me 4,882 point something. 36. Okay, so equate lang natin. So therefore, yung number of natin, break even will be equal to 4,882.36 divided by 15. So that gives us 325.5 or round this up to 326.